Hi kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to read 7 colors of a rainbow. So, are you ready to listen to this story? Then, let's start. 7 colors of a rainbow. What are the 7 colors of a rainbow? Red, he wears a red shirt. Orange, what is orange in this picture? Yellow, what is yellow in this picture? Green, what is green in this picture? Blue, what is blue in this picture? Indigo, what is indigo in this picture? Violet, violet is the best color. What color do you like? So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Then, see you on next video. Goodbye.